Hello everyone, my name is Catherine with Adora Perfect Pups, and here today we have Choc O Latte and Tito's litter. Choc O Latte had one female puppy in the litter. She's a chocolate and tan, absolutely beautiful color. She does not have any white, she's a solid chocolate and tan. And Choc O Latte, she's being a great mom. This little girl is nursing good. Look at her chunky belly. She is 1 week old. Her eyes aren't quite open yet. This little girl, she is expected to be between 13 and 18 pounds as an adult. The parents are AKC registered. They're health tested. They're OFA tested, and all of that information, you can find it on the website, adoraperfectpups.com. So check out their profile. All of that information is there under viewed documents for the parents. Yes. She's such a great mom. She's a really friendly dog. She loves the attention. Yes, you do. And for more information, check out our website. Again, it's adoraperfectpups.com. We also have social media pages on Facebook and Instagram. Thank you for watching.